Have you ever wondered how a tiny acorn can grow into a massive oak tree? Well, you are about to find out. Welcome to this intriguing journey into the fascinating world of biology. To kick things off, ponder this. Every living thing, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale, shares a universal life code known as DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, serves as the blueprint for life. It's a bit like a recipe, dictating how to create a living organism. It's so intricate and detailed that it even includes instructions on how to make more DNA. Now imagine the DNA as a long string with beads. Each bead represents a gene. Genes are sections of DNA that carry the instructions for making proteins, the building blocks of our bodies. They determine how we look, how our bodies function, and even some aspects of our behavior. However, the DNA story doesn't end with genes. There's a concept called epigenetics, which essentially means above the genes. Epigenetics refers to changes in gene expression which do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. It's a bit like adding notes to a recipe, tweaking it slightly without changing the original instructions. Epigenetic changes can occur as a result of lifestyle factors such as diet, stress, and environmental exposure. Moving on, let's dive into the world of cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of life. They come in all shapes and sizes, and each type of cell has a specific job. For example, red blood cells carry oxygen around the body, while nerve cells transmit signals to and from the brain. Cells are not just simple blobs of jelly though. They are complex, with various parts, each with its own function. Imagine a city, with its power plants, factories, and waste disposal systems. That's a bit what a cell is like on a microscopic scale. Now what about that acorn we mentioned at the start? How does it become an oak tree? The answer lies in a process called photosynthesis. This is how plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose, their food, and oxygen, which they release into the air. So, there you have it. In this video, we have unraveled some of the secrets of life. We've explored DNA, the universal code of life, and genes, the instructions in that code. We've delved into the world of epigenetics, where lifestyle factors can tweak those instructions. We've taken a tour of the cell, the basic building block of life, and seen how it functions like a city. Finally, we've discovered how an acorn can grow into an oak tree through the magic of photosynthesis. Remember, the world of biology is vast and ever-changing. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. So stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions. Because every question brings us one step closer to unlocking the mysteries of life.